Woonsocket used to be called Le Pied, Canada. At its peak, French Canadians made up 85% of the city's population. They came here for the mills, then they stayed here and built something that still stands today. Between 1913 and 1917, this community built a church. Not a modest little neighborhood chapel, a full French Renaissance cathedral with twin 160-foot towers, 40 stained glass windows made in France, and a hand-carved marble altar imported from Italy. The whole thing cost $150,000 and was funded almost entirely by mill workers, nickels and dimes from people who were working 12-hour days on the floor. The artist Guido Nincheri spent years inside the building painting the frescoes by hand. His work is up there on the walls and ceilings right now. The guy also painted murals at the Notre Dame Basilica in Montreal. That's the level of craft that went into this place. St. Anne's wasn't just a church either. The complex had a school, a convent, a gymnasium, a vaudeville theater with 750 seats, a running track, bowling lane, a library of 1,000 books, all in French. This was a community holding onto its identity inside of a country that wanted to disappear. The church closed in 2000, but instead of sitting empty or getting torn down, it came back as St. Anne's Arts and Cultural Center. Concerts, events, preservation work, it's still standing, still in use, still telling the story. This is what it looks like when a working class community builds something that outlasts everything else. This is Rhode Island's Blackstone River Valley.